Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what this coloured button does on your new style Samsung remote control. So now this one button will take the place of the 4 buttons on the older style remote control. So you can see we have red, green, yellow and blue. We've got all these colours here, red, green, yellow and blue. The difference is that when we press this button, we then have to press one of these arrows up, down, left or right on here corresponding to the button. For example, on the old style remote, if you wanted to hit the red button, you would just hit this. Now you have to hit this and up for red because that's where the red is. It's the top one. If you want to do the yellow one on the old style, you press here, but on the new one you have to hit this button then down because that corresponds with the yellow one here. So a lot of people wonder what the coloured buttons actually do. It completely depends on what you're watching or the app you're on. You can't program them to do what you want to do. It's up to the app. For example, if you're watching BBC iPlayer here in the UK, you might find that the red button might bring you back to the start of the show. I'll show you a live example on the TV now in a few seconds. But you might find it might do something different on Netflix or Amazon Prime or YouTube. It all depends on the app. Lots of apps it will do nothing. And if you try to press this, it will come up on the screen, no function available. So it's not up to you what you do with them. It's up to the thing you're watching. It has to be programmed into the app or the TV show that you're watching. So hopefully that's cleared that up. Let's bring it over to the TV now and I'm going to show you a real life example of using one of the buttons. So we are on live terrestrial TV, in other words, there's signals coming through the aerial. Now in the UK we have the BBC and we also have BBC iPlayer, which is like the online version of the BBC. So you could be watching live TV and it might come up in the top corner to press, for example, the green button to watch from the beginning on iPlayer, which is the internet-based service. So that would be a prime example of what the coloured buttons do. So you're going to see me in a few seconds now go to BBC One, and then after maybe 20 seconds, without me touching anything, the TV is going to come up within the top right hand side, press the green button to watch it, for example, from the beginning, and that's what we're going to do. Now to show you what I mean by hitting the different coloured buttons with the one button, if I press this now and go up, can you see? It's come up there, not available because red doesn't do anything on this one. Hit this button again, it comes up with this, and I go to the left and that's blue. Hit it again and I go down and that's yellow. Hit it again and go right and that's green. But on this channel it doesn't do anything. But now if I go to BBC One and we're just going to give it about 10-15 seconds or so, it will come up in the top right hand side about the green button. There we go. Watch from the start. Press green. That's what it means. And look, it's going to be on iPlayer. So I'm going to hit this button here, and then I'm going to go right for green. And now it's going to bring me from live TV into BBC iPlayer, which is the internet version of it. And you're going to be able to watch it from the start. There we go. This is it from the beginning. So that's a prime example of how you use those buttons there. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.